How to delete your account on Grab application. Are you guys facing issues to delete your account on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, now scroll down. You will be provided with multiple options over here. Just look at the last option, delete account. You are looking to delete your account, right? Tap on it. Once you click on account, tap on I have other reasons. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this section. Now write down the reason why you want to delete your account. Select the reason. Now write down the why you want to delete your account. After you write down the details, now check all these boxes. After you check it, now tap on submit. After the Grab receive emails, they will delete your account, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna delete your account on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.